In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change your Apple ID date of birth. This ensures accurate age-related access to Apple services and features. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. You will want to select onto your Apple ID name right here. Onto this page, simply head to this very first option of personal information. You will then select on date of birth. To change the month and year, tap onto this down arrow. And then also select your day of birth. Once done, head to Communication Preferences and turn on this option of announcements to receive notification emails from Apple whenever it's your birthday. Apple may use it for verification in case of account recovery. It also helps Apple comply with legal requirements, especially for users under specific age limits. Well, that's how easy it is to change your Apple ID date of birth. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.